A very timely question is, should I now be buying in my personal name or limited company? Well, the classic is, and by the way, I'm in Barcelona, so look, yay! Still got a cup of tea though. The classic is, I can't officially give you advice because I don't know your situation, I'm not qualified as a financial advisor. But should we just say this? I bought millions and millions of pounds worth in my personal name. I'm very grateful that I also bought quite a significant amount of property in my limited company, and every single property I'm buying going forward is in my limited company. Most of you know about it, some of you still won't. Section 24, the taxation rules, which mean that going forward over time we won't be able to use any of the interest costs, which frankly is a cost, against the profit in our personal name, then that's going to be an enormous financial difference to landlords. So for me, and probably for everybody else I know, going forward we buy buy-to-let properties in our company's name. Now, because of course most landlords are now doing that, it really is relatively simple and relatively easy these days to get mortgages in a limited company, because of course the mortgage providers understand that this is the route that the great majority of landlords are taking. You will definitely, in my experience, you will definitely still have to sign a personal guarantee. Ain't getting away with it. So you are personally guaranteeing the limited company that owns the properties. And use an accountant to set up your limited company. You don't want to have a limited company that has other trading activities, because if you've got a limited company that's trading, it's a different SIC code to a limited company that owns assets. So if you've already got a limited company, don't just stick them in that company. Set up a separate investment limited company with the correct SIC code. So me, I'd be voting limited company all day long from now on. See you soon, bye.